In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can merge your Fortnite accounts here in Fortnite Chapter 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Yes, it's going to work throughout all the seasons here in Chapter 7. But if you are currently in Fortnite, what you're going to want to do is actually close out of it and open up a web browser. Now, in this case, I'm just going to be using Google Chrome, but you could really use whatever you would like. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is just search up at the very top for merge Fortnite accounts and then hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select it. And then what you're going to want to do once you do get on this page is actually just scroll all the way down and select contact us. Now you may need to sign in first, so make sure you go ahead and do that. But after doing so, then you'll be able to hit contact us and it's going to take you to a little like support assistance page right here. I'm going to make this full screen just so it's a little bit easier to see. But what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go down to this little area that says describe your problem here, and you're going to want to type in the following. Now, I went ahead and made a template just to make this a little bit easier for y'all, and you could copy this template exactly. You could change it up a little bit. Just make sure that you get the base idea around it similar. And this one is, hello, I'm having trouble linking my old platform account to my current platform account. I've tried for a while and can't figure it out. Could you please help me merge them? Now, the wording here does have to be pretty particular. You do need to make sure that you have your old platform account and then current platform account. For example, let's say right now I play on PC, right? So I changed my current platform to PC, and then for my old platform, let's go ahead and say I used to play on Xbox. I'd go ahead and put Xbox here. That's kind of how you'd go ahead and handle this. But once again, I just copied my current template and change it up just to fit your situation. But from here, you can go ahead and hit next. And while this loads, I will say, if you're on the exact same platform like PC to PC, this is still going to work. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is get to a page that looks like this. The AI assistant's going to try and give you like a related page that you can go to. But what I would recommend doing is hitting no here. And then it's going to think for a little bit more. And what you're going to want to do in this option where it does say, can you please specify, go ahead and say, can I speak with an agent, and then enter. It's going to pop you up at the page that says, would you like to speak with a member of our support team? Go ahead and say yes. And it's going to load for a second, and it's going to immediately begin redirecting you to two different options. Sometimes there's an option to continue this chat. I would never do this option. Instead, you're going to want to go ahead and submit an email ticket. So go ahead and submit an email ticket, and it's going to essentially redirect you to a page that looks like this that says your ticket is submitted. Now from here, you can either view your ticket or you can start a new chat. What I would do is just view your ticket just to ensure that it did go through. As you can see, it went through right here. And from here, what you're going to want to do is actually just wait 1 to 2 business days for them to reach back out to you with instructions on how to merge your account. Now, they may ask for proof of ownership of both accounts, so just be ready to provide that. And that's going to be like those email addresses linked to those accounts and those passwords linked to those accounts. If you do get a response saying merging isn't available, retry the exact same process. Sometimes you will get like different support reps with different levels of flexibility. But overall, it really is as simple as that. That is how you can request an account merge here in Fortnite. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.